players lang ang natutula. Pero ito yung players lang.
Wala ka na. Dapat ano yan, nagkasama matakbo yung mga
Oo, yung pagka-finish line dapat
Proceed na po tayo sa awarding kasi baka abutin tayo ng ating gabi. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Bureau of Fire Protection. Ayan, sa kanilang wet na wet. Ngayon. And also ARD, Emmer Narag, for our winners. Starting with 5 kilometers, 13 years old and above category. Nasa ang ating mga 5 km runners. Ano pa ba sila? Fourth place. So ano po ito? Champion, first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. Ang ginawa po namin ay yung top 5. We will receive medals, finisher medal. Okay, starting with our 5 kilometers, 13-year-old and above female category. Our round 5 will receive finisher medal. Natapos siya po ang 5 km in 30 minutes and 55 seconds. With race group number 5006, Miss Hannah Marquez. Congratulations! Ma'am Hannah from Department of Health. Ayan ang ating third place. Now, our third place with race group number 5107. Finishing in 28 minutes and 7 seconds. Miss Jessa May Madrigo. Congratulations! We also receive a second place with bib number 5019. 5019. Finishing in 26 minutes and 7 seconds. Miss Evelyn Laya. Congratulations po. Now on first place, finishing in 24 minutes and 53 seconds, race group
o male? Male ah.
Mula sa angkan ng Malimata with bib number 5048, finishing in 23 minutes and 38 seconds. Miss Agatha Malimata will receive champion's medal and our top finisher shirt. Gather po natin lahat yung ating top 5 dito for our photo op. Ayan. Thank you and congratulations. Ayan, iabot na lang po yung inyong mga prizes. Our champion will receive our champion's medal plus top finisher shirt. Our first place will receive freebies Omega Player para sa 13-year-old and above and first place finisher's medal. Then our second place will receive belt bag plus finisher medal po. And then our third place will receive socks po yun plus finisher medal. Ayan. Okay, proceed na po tayo sa ating 5 kilometers, 13-year-old and above. Ito yung pinakamatutunin. Now, but wait, there's more ha. Yung ating champion po ay will also receive 500 peso cash. Ayan, congratulations po. Pakiclick na lang po sa ating magandang binibini dito sa gilid. Okay, now, 5 kilometers, 13-year-old and above, Bill.
100
Third place. Fourth place pala. Fourth placer. Our fourth placer with bib number 5059. Finishing 5 kilometers in 19 minutes. We have Mr. Albert Malabayabas. Congratulations po. Our fourth place, we received ang ating Herbogen Finisher Medal, sponsored by Herbogen Creatives. Ayan, thank you po. Yan, photo op po tayo. Now, our third place, finishing in 18 minutes and 16 seconds. Race bib number 5078, Mr. Vincent Malapote. Congratulations po! Will receive third place finisher medal and socks po yun. Yan. Yung iba po, pakikilay na lang po dun sa ating female. Later, ibibigay ko na rin yan. Congratulations! Isa-side na lang po para sa ating top 5 performer. Now, on second place, with race bib number 5139, finishing in 17 minutes and 34 seconds. Grabe, seconds lang yung lamang niya. Ay, yung lamang, yung una sa kanya. But still, congratulations! Bib number 5139, Mr. Ian Dexter Kaundo. Congratulations! Now, our first place, finishing in 17 minutes and 28 seconds, bib number 5106, Mr. Ken Jeric Palermo will receive first place finisher medal and ang ating sponsored by Omega. Ayan. Para mawala ang mga sakit-sakit. Ano? Sa katawan.
Ay, Papa! Ay, Papa!
Congratulations, sir! And ito, wala talaga makakatalo. Pa, sa ngayon. The bride of Marinduque. 5 kilometers, 30-year-old and above male champion with bib number 31275, finishing 5 kilometers in 15 minutes and 55 seconds. Sobrang tulen. Wala iba kundi si Sir Eddie Malimata. Congratulations po. Our champion will receive champion's medal, top finisher shirt, and 500 peso cash prize. Congratulations po. Gather po yung ating top 5 po dito. Sa ating 13 years old and above, for photo op. Ating top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito po sa unahan. Ayan.
Ganda.
Thank you so much and congratulations! Now, dito naman po tayo sa 5 kilometers, 12 years old and below, female category. At nag-iisa po. Siyempre nag-iisa. Safe siya na po ang tatangaling champion natin with race bib number 5003, Miss Princess Crisel Lauresta, finishing 5 kilometers in 35 minutes and 52 seconds. Napakagaling ni Neneng. Will also receive top picture shirt. Our champion will also receive 500 peso cash prize. Ayan, congratulations po. Now, proceed na po tayo sa 5 kilometer, 12 years old and below male category. Pero sila po ay 4 lamang. So we'll start with third place. Third place with bib number 5103, finishing in 27 minutes. Mr. Lee Ann Montas. Congratulations. Our third place will receive medal and stocks. Ayan po. Congratulations po. Now for our second place, finishing in 24 minutes, bib number 5002, Mr. Just Laurier Pagalang. Congratulations po.
Idol ka!
Champion din ka.
Our winner will receive finisher medal and belt bag po.
May lamang 1,000. Ako na pala kayo nag-aaral. Aldo.
Congratulations po. And now for our first place, bib number 5142, finishing in 22 minutes, salon pass muna tayo kasi bata pa, bawal pa ako mega. Ayan. Congratulations po, and our champion finishing 5 kilometers in 20 minutes. 5:004 po ang kanyang race bib number, Mr. Jose Antonio. Congratulations! We receive champion's medal and finisher shirt and cash prize. Congratulations! Thank you and congratulations. Yung top 4 po natin. Pila po? Top 4?
Tapor.
Okay, now let's proceed with 3 kilometers, 12 years old and below female category. Again, 3 kilometers, 12 years old and below female category. At dalawa lang po silang nag-register at nagpaunahan. Now, our first place, finishing in 25 minutes and 7 seconds. Race bib number 3029, Miss Roan M. Lingon. Congratulations! Ayan, ang ating first place female will receive Fisher Medal and syempre, salon pass muna dahil bawal pa ako muna. Now, our champion for the 3 kilometers, 12 years old and below female category, finishing in 18 minutes and 24 seconds. With race bib number 3141, Miss Natalia Nicole Mendeja. Congratulations! You receive champion's medal.
Ayan! Kahit may technical difficulties po, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Now, 3 kilometers, 12 years old and below, male category. Dalawa lang din po sila. Finishing in 49 minutes. Ang cute na cute with race bib number 3066, Mr. EJ Lampas. Congratulations!
Ayan, ang ating first place for 3 kilometers, 12 years old and below male category, si Baby EJ's Lampas. We receive first place, finisher medal, and sa Lampas. Pero mukhang si Mami muna ang magamit. Congratulations po. And our champion for the 3 kilometers, 12 years old and below male category, finishing in 48 minutes and 50 seconds. Parang pinakauna-una lamang. Pero galing pa rin, ano, sa kanilang pamilya, ating Lampas family with race bib number 3083, Mr. Aaron Lampas. Congratulations! Tears of joy yan. Kaya naiiyak si Baby bronze medal, top finisher shirt, and 500 peso cash prize. Ayan, congratulations po. Now, punta naman tayo sa 3 kilometers, 13 years old and above, male category. Okay, 3 kilometers, 30-year-old and above male category. Ang ating fourth place. Ang fourth place will receive our Herbajan sponsored medal. Ayan. Bib number 3134. Mr. Johan Santiago, finishing in 12 minutes and 4 seconds. Congratulations. Now, our third place. To receive third place, finisher medal and socks. Race bib number 3094, Mr. Daryl Lintot, finishing in 11 minutes and 32 seconds. Congratulations, bro. Now, our second place, finishing in 11 minutes and 22 seconds, race beep number 3074, Mr. Isaac Lacorte. Congratulations, bro. Our second place will receive finisher medal and belt bag. Now for our first place. For the 3 kilometers, 13-year-old and above the male category, with race bib number 3042, finishing in 10 minutes and 58 seconds, Mr. Alfred Sadico. Congratulations! Ayan, ang ating
Now, for the champion po ng ating 3 kilometers, 13 years old.
and above champion po ng 3 kilometers, 13-year-old and above male category, hawiin na ang daan. Dahil natapos siya 3 kilometers in 10 minutes and 51 seconds.
This is number 3043, Mr. Joseph Tolero.
Again, our 13-year-old and above 3-kilometer male category champion, Mr. Joseph Tolero. Congratulations po. Photo up po tayo ng ating top
Ano, takadiluan. Bumawi ng preno pa.